everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this is coming from one of our new favorite companies. It's coming from Braid Queens. That's right, me and Braid Queens have teamed up to bring you guys another braid review. So this is actually their Ombre 13x5 cornrow braid unit. And in actuality, they're not even just braids. It's actually Senegalese twist. So I think that's actually really dope also. It is coming up on the side, so don't come for me in the comments. I mean, it's 12 o'clock. I'm still working, so don't come for me in the comments. So we got it down packed as good as possible. But anywho, it has really good transparent lace. I love the detail of the braids in the front. Now, since I'm not actually wearing this unit like full-fledged, I didn't do the ball cap method, which this is what you would usually do when you're wearing one of the Braid Queens wigs, because their lace is super transparent, where you do kind of actually have to give the illusion that it is a natural scalp underneath there. So I just have just a regular wig cap on. I did tack mine down with the ORS spray. Other than that, it's actually pretty cute. It's different because this is the color that I'm not used to. I got this in the Ombre, I believe it's 1B30. This is actually different from what I'm usually doing. I usually do black because it goes with my skin tone. This is something different, but it's not bad looking. It's actually like mid back lip, pretty. Basically, it's hitting the top of my butt. So it's actually pretty different. It is big head friendly. There are 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, along with the adjustable straps, and there is an elastic band already installed in this unit, so it will not go anywhere. It is big head friendly. Also, it's actually very lightweight. It was actually heavier me holding it in my hand versus me actually putting it on. Me putting it on, it's actually pretty durable right now. It's very lightweight. I don't feel it. I don't feel extra hot, and even in Texas at night sometimes it does get pretty hot. I actually like it. I just wish I had got it in a 1B. Other than that, I think it's actually a really good buy. The only thing I will say this, for some people out there, because we get a lot of people who buy Braid Queen wigs and they have like certain issues or whatever. I am going to tell you this. It is a little bulky in the back, but I didn't mind that because I knew for a fact I was going to wear mine where it was like a little bit going, half up, half down, a little bit going toward the back. So it didn't bother me, but I know that may bother other people. So just be mindful when you're purchasing this unit that it is a little bulky in the back. So kind of just look out for that. Other than that, this is a winner chicken dinner, and I approve of this unit. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye!